Let's do this. Let's do your reading. Pisces, hello my dear Pisces. Welcome or welcome back sa ating channel, YouTube channel or Facebook page. My name is RJ, your tarot card reader. At ang gagawin natin ngayon isang iyong collective reading. Okay, mag-collective reading tayo my dear. So, lagi ko ang sinasabi ko sa inyong lahat, na sa tamang panahon, sa tamang oras, hahanapin ka ng mga reading ko. Hindi mo kinakailangan ipilit ang mga reading ko sa sarili mo. Okay? So, let's go tayo my dear. Pisces. Let me see. Wow. 24. Okay. Actually, I'm getting 2, 4. Okay. So, dalawang card galing dito and 4 cards galing dito. Wow. 24. Okay. This is going to be a very, very quick na reading. Okay. Kasi actually, ang unang lumabas sa akin is 6. Pero wala siyang partner. Tapos hinati ko siya, ang kinalabasan is 2 at saka 4. So 2 plus 4 is 6, okay? So tapos, yun nga. Okay, pwede man 3, 3, okay? Pero hindi yun ang lumabas. 2 at saka 4. Okay, anyway, my dear. Let's go tayo, my dear Pisces. Okay, dalawang card. Galing sa ating customized tarot. Let me see what is going on. What is going on, Pisces? Pisces, what is going on? We have here, the winner takes it all. The loser standing small. Okay, we have here, the winner takes it all. Okay? Yung nakukuha ko na energy, my dear, is more on parang somebody na parang kakilala mo, na parang meron siyang kakayanan, or parang meron siyang kakayanan. Yes, that's the right term. Kakayanan na tulungan ka, pero parang ayaw kanyang tulungan. Yun ang nakukuha ko, my dear. Okay? And for some reason, my dear, ang parang pakiramdam ko kung bakit ayaw kanyang tulungan is just like kakilala mo, kaibigan mo, and meron siya kakayanan na tulungan ka sa isang certain problem na meron ka. Okay? Sa isang situation na pinagdadaanan mo, pero ayaw kanyang tulungan. Okay? Yun ang nakukuha ko dyan, my dear. Let me see. Pisces. And the winner takes it all. The loser, parang gusto niya maging loser. Oh, ang dami. Sabi ko 2 lang at saka 3. I'm very sorry, my dear. Meron tayong additional 1, 2, 3. So, meron tayong additional, uy! 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, anyway. We have here, Ingitera. Okay, Ingitera. Okay, minsan talaga hindi nasusunod, my dear, yung mga numbers na sineset ko because of the jumping card ako. But anyway, as long as, di ba, makuha natin yung message, why not, okay? It's the divine, okay? It's the creator, okay? We have your energy ng Ingitera. Okay, this person is actually naiinggit sa'yo. The reason kung bakit ayaw kanyang tulungan is because naiinggit siya sa'yo. Okay, there is a certain insecurity sa kanya, my dear Pisces, okay? Na ayaw kanyang tulungan. Or parang gusto niya, nandiyan ka lang sa pwesto na yan. Diyan ka lang. Wala kang pupuntahan, my dear Pisces. Diyan ka lang. Okay? Pwede kanyang bigyan ng false hope. Okay? Yung parang typical, let me see, tingnan natin kung ano magagawa natin, ganun. Pero honestly, deep inside, I can feel na parang wala talaga siyang any intention of helping you, my dear Pisces. Okay? Change your mindset and you can change your life. Okay? You don't need this person. Yun ang nakukuha ko. You don't need this person. Based on my experience, my dear Pisces, karamihan ng taong nakakakilala sa'yo, sila pa yung merong 100.1% na chance na hilahin ka pababa. Correct me if I'm wrong. Yung kaibigan mo, kakilala mo, or sometimes, ang pinakamasakit sa lahat, kapamilya mo. This is based on my experience, my dear Pisces. I'm not saying it because gusto ko lang siyang sabihin. It's based on my experience. Mas na-appreciate ko pa yung ibang tao. Di ba, naiiyak na ako. Di, honestly, may nararamdaman ako na parang tears. Every time na sinasabi ko to. May nararamdaman ako na something like explosion of emotion. Because hanggang ngayon, hindi ko pa rin talaga ma-process sa utak ko, my dear Pisces. Why? Bakit? Childhood friend kita, kakilala kita, classmate kita, batchmate kita, kamag-anak kita, pinsan kita. Or pinsan ka na pinsan ko. Or we are somehow blood related. Pero why? The worst thing is minsan, this is your relationship, karelasyon mo. Pero sa akin, madala lang mangyari yon. Madala lang. Most of the time, friends or sa loob ng circle, sa family. Okay? So, may nangyayaring insecurity over here. Kaya ayaw kang tulungan, ayaw kang i-help, okay? Posibleng nagpre-pretend, my dear Pisces, okay? Pretending na parang, okay, I will help you, okay? I got you, girl, something like that. Pero no. We have here, change your mind and change your mindset and you will change your life. It's more on parang acceptance, my dear, na normal to. Kung nangyari sa akin, posibleng mangyari sa'yo. At kung nangyari sa'yo, posibleng mangyari din sa iba. It's normal, it's given. Pero kung meron kang gustong mangyari sa buhay mo, go for it. Go for it. Go get it. Gawin mo. Go for it. May tulong or walang tulong ng tao na yan. Go for it. Even your family don't support you. Even your friends don't support you. 'Di ba? Sa mga nagsusupport, thank you. Sa mga hindi, okay lang din. May hugot to, my dear Pisces, may hugot to. This is based on the true to life story. Kasi nakapunta ako kung nasaan ako ngayon. It's not all about me. Nakapunta ako kung nasaan ako ngayon because I believe on myself. It's not because of the people around me. I'm so thankful because of the people around me. Salamat sa mga nagtitiwala. Pero I believe on myself. Naniwala ako sa sarili ko that I can do it. That I can make it through the rain. And also you. Kaya mo yan. Kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari, gawin mo siya, my dear, with or without support ng kung sino man to. Kasi itong tao na to, gusto ka nito may stock. And don't let this person win. The winner takes it all. You are the winner. So you will take it all. Okay? Siya meron lang siyang access sa lahat. Pwede kanyang tulungan sa pera, pwede kanyang tulungan sa connection and everything. Pero you have the spirit guide. You have the spirit guide. Nawala siya. Okay? Kasi may kiniklaim niya, kaya nga ako nakapunta dito kung nasaan ako ngayon. Kasi malakas ako sa taas eh. Are you sure? Okay? Change your mind. Change your mind and you will change your life. Change your mindset and you will change your life. Okay? Next, over here, last card natin is, pinagmamasdan ang larawan mo habang umiiyak. Okay? Pinagmamasdan ang larawan mo habang umiiyak. Hindi ito typical yung parang, yung pakiramdam niya, hindi siya typical na parang namimiss kita or something. I can feel na there is galit over here. Okay? Habang tinitingnan ka ng tao na to, there is a tears, and at the same time, galit, okay? Umiiyak siya because, umiiyak siya habang may galit na nararamdaman. And I can feel na parang, paano nakasurvive tong tao na to? Probably baka pinanganak siya na meron siyang access sa lahat. Like, meron siyang access, good education, good life, mayaman, maraming support system, and ikaw wala. And then nagtataka siya ngayon, how? Paano niya nagawa yun? How? Paano niya nagawa na na-survive niya yun? And ngayon, parang sinasabi niya sa akin na lumalapit sa akin ng tao na to and then binabalita niya sa akin all the good things na nangyayari sa life niya. Diba? Parang itong tao na to, my dear, is never naging happy sa kahit anuman na nangyari sa buhay mo, my dear Pisces. This person will never and ever will be happy sa kung ano yung mga na-achieve mo. Gusto niya may stuck ka doon sa iisang mindset. Gusto niya may stuck ka doon, my dear, na pinanganak kang mahirap, so therefore mamamatay kang mahirap. Sorry, it's not gonna happen. Not today. How much is that doggy in the window? Ow, ow. Okay? It's not gonna happen, bitch. It's not gonna happen. Not on my time. Not on my clock. Naa. 4 cards. Although may pasobra tayong dalawang card doon sa ano, kasi sabi ko kanina 24 lang, may pasobra tayong dalawang card doon, pero it's okay. It's okay. Grabe. Let me see, my dear. Let me see. Let's add more. Totoo yan. The winner takes it all. And sometimes they just pretend na, okay, I will help you. Upo ka lang dyan. Relax ka lang dyan. I will do anything for you. Ako nang bahala dito. Pero ilang taon ka na nakaupo dyan. Wala pa rin siyang ginagawa. Okay? Let me see. Oh. offering. This is a fake offering, my dear. Gusto mo ng fish? Gusto mo ng fish? Ang nakukuha ko sa card na to is more on parang yung kasabihan na parang teach a man how to fish. Parang ganon, okay? Teach a man how to fish. Don't give a man a fish. Teach a man how to fish. Okay? Alam mo yung typical na dapat sinasabi, alam mo, punta ka sa ganito, punta ka sa ganitong website, visit mo to, ganito, tapos ito yung form, or meron akong kopya dito ng form, or something like that. Yung parang ganon, okay? Pero ang binibigay sa'yo something like false hope. False hope. It is a false hope na parang, upo ka lang dyan and I will do anything for you. Just sit down, sit back, relax, and I will do anything for you. Okay? Hindi yung typical na parang, ito yung pamingwit, ito yung pain, ilalagay mo yung pain dyan, tapos sasakay ka ng bangka, tapos mamimingwit ka doon ka sa gitna, ha? That is the proper guide. That is a proper guide. Okay, that is a proper guide. Ito kasi parang sinasabi sa'yo, upo ka lang dyan. Babalik ako, may huli na akong isda. May huli na akong big fish, and i-offer ko sa'yo yung fish na yon. You don't need to do anything. Talaga ba? Isa pa, my dear. Isa pa. It is also given, my dear, sa, ito ha, hindi ko sinasabi na ganitong sitwasyon mo. I'm just setting some example. Okay, I'm just setting some example. Kunyari, meron ka na pangasawa na mayaman. Okay, let me see, mayaman. May pension, may tinatanggap monthly. Okay? May monthly siya na tinatanggap, may monthly. Ibig sabihin, may access siya, my dear, na may kakayanahan siya. Meron siyang access or ability or power na bumili ng kapirasong lupa. Okay, sabihin natin, kapirasong lupa, para mag-start ka ng negosyo, doon sa lupa na yon. But sinasabi niya, bakit ka ba magtatayo ng ganyan? Sumasahod naman ako, nagpe-pension naman ako monthly, di ba? Bakit ka ba magtatrabaho? Bakit ka pa kikilos? Bakit mabubuhay ka ba habang buhay? Bakit immortal ka ba? Di ba? This person is trying to actually keep you stuck. Alam niyo, parang binibigyan kanya ng pansamantalang comfort. Pansamantalang comfort, my dear Pisces. Okay? This person can actually help you para ma-reach mo kung ano yung mga bagay na gusto mong ma-reach by taking action, pero hindi niya gagawin yon. Okay? This person will act na parang, okay, I got you. Just sit down there, relax. Okay, anong pangangailangan mo? You want water? You want food? You want something? I will bring it to you. Diba? Ganon. See? Fish. You want fish? Fish. There you go. Fish. I can offer everything. Okay? Pero, stuck ka pa rin. Oh. Mother and child energy. I don't know. Maybe this is a mama's boy. A mama's boy. Yun ang nakukuha ko, mama's boy. Something like may kinalaman sa mama's boy. Maybe this is a mama's boy or daddy's girl. Something like that. Let me see. Let me add more. Baka meron din kayong anak. Maybe. If this is your partner. Okay. Maybe you have anak. Meron kayong anak. Okay. We have here 2 cards. We have here the energy of love. Baka partner mo to, dear. Maybe this is your partner. But this is a general reading, my dear. So, pwede ito mag-resonate for everybody. We have here the energy of freedom. Okay. Sakto na yung card natin. Love and freedom. Woo! Energy ng love and freedom. So, what I'm getting over here, my dear, is, itong tao na to is, gusto ka mapakinabangan sa abot ng kanyang makakaya. Idadaan niya yung love, okay? That's what I'm getting over here. Message of freedom. You need to be free. Parang ganun, my dear, sinasabi ng card nito, that you need to be free. And you know, alam mo yan sa sarili mo, nararamdaman mo yan, my dear Pisces, inside you, that you need to be free. Alam mo yon. Na dapat magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong negosyo, na magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong bahay, na magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong work. Pero there is a certain energy, my dear, na gusto kang i-stack. There is a certain energy, my dear, na gusto kang i-stack. And Sinasabi niya dito, my dear, na parang, I will take good care of you. I will take good care of you. Kaya kong i-provide lahat sa'yo. Kaya kong ibigay lahat sa'yo. Pero what if hindi na siya huminga? Paano ka? What if bukas makalawa, hindi na siya huminga? So, paano ka? Okay? If this is your friend, this is your relative, this is more on paasa. I-conclude na lang natin, my dear, yung reading. This is more on paasa na energy. Okay? Paasa na energy. Ako nang bahala dyan. Just sit back, upo ka lang dyan, relax, something like that, okay? Pero this person is, grabe ang inggit sa'yo. Grabe ang insecurity sa'yo, my dear. Pangit man pakinggan, pero this person want you to be his or her slave forever. Diyan ka lang. Kung saan nakikita kita. Kung saan kaya kitang tawagin anytime. Diyan ka lang. You will never go. You have your energy of freedom. Message of freedom. Ayaw niya makuha mo to. Lulunurin ka niya ng love. Like, oh, we are friends. We are family. I love you. Pero honestly, gusto niya lang maging in control of everything. At pag nawala siya, bahala ka sa buhay mo. Okay, my dear. Yan ang nakulat natin para sa araw na to. Somehow, my dear, kung nagustuhan mo ang ating reading, don't forget to mag-subscribe. Pag-click, my dear, notification bell para ma-update ka every time na meron tayong mga bagong upload. And free to like, free to share, free to comment sa lahat po ng ating mga videos. Once again, my name is RJ, also known as Apo J. Maraming salamat po. And until next time, bye-bye. Thank you, my dear.